What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video and a very bullish update so far on Bitcoin. Alright, we are bullish. Yesterday we already talked about this, you know, we needed to see one of two things. Alright, so yesterday I was already more bullish than bearish, and we talked about that, and I also told you that my positioning, and you can also see that if you go to Twitter right now, I post my what do you call it? My positions on there quite often, and I'm in way more longs right now than shorts. And what we were talking about as well yesterday, so that was, we were still looking for confirmation, right? Because we got a nice bullish breakout over the weekend. Over the weekend on Saturday evening, we broke above 68,600. Great. But usually you need some more confirmation to actually confirm that a breakout on the weekend actually sticks and actually is actually valid. So we got that today, I think. All right. If you look at the open interest right here, which is one of the things we talked about, that we need a solid open interest growth. That has happened. All right. The open interest is not as high yet as it was, but that's quite positive, because what you can see right now is that the funding rates across the market are getting quite high instantly. Not everywhere, but on certain exchanges it is. So the longer we can keep those funding rates low, the longer it's very attractive to long, and the longer we can actually stay super bullish. So at this point of time, the open interest is rallying. So we are gaining a ton of momentum in open positions. That was a price alert. Hopefully the sound wasn't too loud. I'm not even sure if you can hear the sound, but it doesn't matter. But no, so right now we're gaining momentum, and I kind of lost my train of thought. But we're gaining a lot of momentum while the funding rates are still relatively low. So to be honest, I'm just very bullish right now. The main resistance level we have to break above, I would say, is like 71,500 or 71,700. And because it's Monday, all right, so Monday and Tuesday are usually very volatile. So what's happening right now is that a lot of new capital, a lot of new money is entering the markets. Not new, but new positions are being opened, probably by players that already are in the market. But that's happening. So you can see the volume right now in the last well, what is it? Last 2 hours or so has gone up by $4 billion. So all of that money is being put into the markets. That means usually that we are volatile, but it also means that we can still turn around. So be a bit careful about that, all right? I think it's most likely that we will be bullish, but right now the key level that we have to break above is 71,400 and 71,500. I think it's most likely that we will break above that, and that will start heading up towards 73 and 74,000 again. But in this scenario, and I would still say that Bitcoin would be bullish, all right? I am pretty bullish on Bitcoin right now. But in the scenario that we do not break above 71,400 right here, and we close down below that, it is a possibility that we'll drop down to 70,000 and this level right here at 69,500 first. It's quite a big drop, right? And altcoins will react to that. So it's also possible we do that and then later break above 71,500 and rally higher. So that's something we're still waiting for. But honestly, at this point of time, I would be crazy to say that Bitcoin is not bullish. Like I said, it is the start of the week, so things are volatile and we can still turn around. That is purely realistically possible. But if you look at everything right now, so first of all, just in general, the market structure we have, if you zoom out as well, this is just quite bullish. And then apart from that, we broke out above 70,000 with momentum, real money entering the markets. Usually that's just very bullish, all right? So those are my thoughts. That's what I think is most likely for now. When we hit 73 and 74,000, I'll keep you updated. I think ultimately the next price targets would probably be 75, 77.5 and 80,000. It's a bit early to talk about that, but it is realistic to start thinking about that. Those are my thoughts. That's what you need to know. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.